And of course now he's not going to do it. There he goes. Nope, he's not going to do it. He's doing this weird pant that obviously is just for me because I start the camera and he's breathing fine now. Mm-hmm. Yep, everything's better now. Are you a faker? Yep, must be, because he's just fine now. The second I started videoing him. Hey, are you playing invisible? Huh? What's invisible? I'm just sitting here listening to the wind between my ears, dreaming of the next blanket I can rip apart. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do this chin thing. Yep, that didn't work. Maybe I'll go outside. Door's open. Absolutely nothing going on behind those eyes. Yes, I just called you dumb. Dumb dog. We're officially changing your name to Dumb Dog. Dumb Dog. Mimi went to the front door and Jax followed her. Rupert went to the back porch. He was like, wait a minute, let's just go this way. That's so stupid. The only smart one I have is Mimi. Did you get him, Mimi? Never a dull moment with these guys.